As the sun dips below the horizon, the sky erupts in a symphony of fiery hues. Orange melts into deep purple, then fades to a velvety indigo. Stars begin to prick through the darkening canvas. A time-lapse captures this celestial transformation, compressing hours into seconds. We watch, mesmerized as day surrenders to night. This celestial ballet, a spectacle we often take for granted, hints at a profound concept that has captivated humanity for millennia time. From ancient philosophers to modern physicists, the nature of time has remained an enduring enigma, a riddle that continues to fascinate and challenge our understanding of the universe. Time for us is a constant companion. It marches forward relentlessly. It dictates our schedules, shapes our memories, and reminds us of our own mortality. We perceive time as linear, a flowing river carrying us from the past through the present towards the future. Yet despite its pervasiveness in our lives, time remains an elusive concept. What exactly is time? Can we truly define it, measure it, or even understand its true nature? These questions have puzzled thinkers for centuries, leading to a rich tapestry of philosophical and scientific inquiry. Our human perception of time is limited, constrained by the biological clocks that govern our bodies and the cultural frameworks that shape our understanding. We experience time as a series of moments, a continuous flow that seems to possess a tangible reality. However, modern physics, particularly Einstein's theory of relativity, has challenged our intuitive grasp of time. Relativity posits that time is not absolute, but rather relative, dependent on the observer's frame of reference. Time, it turns out, is not a river flowing at a constant rate, but rather a fluid, dynamic entity that can be stretched and compressed by gravity and motion. Time's intricate dance is woven into the very fabric of the cosmos. It governs the birth and death of stars, the collision of galaxies, and the evolution of life itself. We observe time's passage in the slow, majestic waltz of celestial objects across the night sky. Consider the ethereal trails of stars captured in long exposure photographs, arcs of light tracing their paths across the celestial dome. These star trails are not merely aesthetic wonders, but tangible evidence of time's passage, a testament to the Earth's rotation and the stars' relentless journey through the cosmos. Time-lapse photography offers us a unique perspective on time's passage. By compressing vast stretches of time into digestible snippets, we can witness processes that would otherwise unfold too slowly for our perception. A blooming flower, a germinating seed, the gradual shifting of clouds. These events, typically too subtle for us to notice in real time, become mesmerizing spectacles when viewed through the lens of time-lapse. Through this manipulation of time, we gain a newfound appreciation for the dynamism of the world around us. We see the constant flux, the ebb and flow, the subtle transformations that shape our environment. Time-lapse photography, in a sense, allows us to glimpse the world through time's own eyes, revealing the hidden beauty of slow, incremental change. Time, in all its complexity and wonder, continues to captivate and intrigue us. While our understanding of time has evolved significantly from the rudimentary sundials of our ancestors to the atomic clocks of today, many questions remain unanswered. What is the true nature of time? Can we travel through time? Is time an illusion, as some theories suggest? These questions are not merely academic exercises, but rather fundamental inquiries into the nature of reality itself. By exploring the mysteries of time, we embark on a journey of self-discovery, expanding our understanding of the universe and our place within its grand cosmic tapestry. So, let us continue to ponder, to question, and to explore the enigmatic realm of time, for in unraveling its secrets, we may unlock profound truths about the cosmos and ourselves.